brothers play this game with me so long. I started to believe I'll never find anyone, and they're just trying to convince me to defeat you. Said you can win. But one day the sun came shining through. The rain is dark and the skies are blue. Oh yeah, and all the revelation seemed to see. Some more saying I love you. Come on, everybody sing with me. Say! Baby, a one in a million years. I was a lonely man with empty arms to feed. Then I found a means of happiness to call my own, and life is worth living again. For the love you to me is to live. Come on. And life showed compassion and sent you me through our love. Go ye one in a million years. A one in a million years. Very good. Ang daming singer dito, no? Actually, ito si Sir Limuel. Tagal ko nang kasama ito, hindi ko lang alam kung saan eh. Sir Limuel, nagkasama na tayo a long time ago, no? Sa Limelight. Sabi mo nga sa Cubao. Mamaya mag-gusto tayo na.
One more daw.
Yun ulit, one in a million.
Closer I get to you.
Anong gusto mo, tita?
Closer I get to you.
Closer I
Kailangan
get
mo
to
ba
you.
yung ano? Pangalan mo ba ito o the only one? Andiyan ba? Meron pa ba't sa ilalim? Sis Moriosen. Ito ang panganay. Hindi, matagal.
Po.
Ano yan? A good example po, tita. For good parenting, di ba? Kasi may mga anak. Maganda ito. Tita, sino po taga UK? Talaga? I came from UK also. My dresses came from UK. UK. Baguio, UK. Well, welcome to the Philippines, sir.